This is an automatic machine to cut reinforcement steel bars commonly known as TMT bars or rebars. This machine can manage cutting bars up to TMT size 32 grade 550, a compact hydraulic power unit with conventional hydraulics, easy to maintain wherever you are located. The electric motor is 5 horsepower 3.8 kilowatts, coupled with a simple gear pump operating at nominal pressure to ensure a long life cycle. Here is the bar feeder. We now progress to the PLC. We will select a program to specify the data such as the bar length to be cut and the number of cuts. For this demo we have selected one cut length of 1000 mm and 3 cut lengths of 500 mm. We can store numerous programs. As we are done with the scheduled production data, entering the machine is now almost set to execute. We load the bar into the machine, close the shutter and proceed with start. Well, it's just a short demo.
We start the machine.
As the program is executed, the balanced bar is pushed out and the cycle terminates, switching off the machine. Considering common RCC cut lengths, the 12-meter stock bar is processed in about half a minute. Now load a new bar and press start.
So thank you for your expressed interest. Here are a few noteworthy features and our contact details. Feel free to contact us and we will do our best to respond and proceed further. Thank you again.